Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com, news on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. This podcast was sponsored by cryptocurrency payment technology Flip, a creation of FitPay Inc., a leading provider of cutting-edge payment technology and a subsidiary of NextID, traded on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol NXTD. NextID is a provider of healthcare devices as well as payment credential management and authentication platform services. Learn more about how to order Flip at fliptopay.com. And Crypto Corner is also sponsored by Genesis Blockchain Technologies, or GBT. GBT is a powerful cryptocurrency centralized-decentralized exchange, which will include a broad range of services and benefits from cryptocurrency and blockchain markets development, while avoiding complications and risks arising from cryptocurrency ownership, transfer, and exchange. You can download the Genesis Exchange and Wallet app at Google Play and on the Apple App Store. Learn more at www.mygenesis.io. Hey folks, Sam Mowers here, your host for Crypto Corner. To open this week, we'll talk about Fidelity and their institutional crypto trading service, how the CFTC is open to Ether futures trading, how Swiss stock exchange SIX may launch a token, and how a blockchain-powered ad campaign for Pepsi saw a 28% increase in cost efficiency. Let's get started. So Bloomberg reports that financial services multinational Fidelity will launch a crypto trading service for institutional investors in the coming few weeks, according to a person familiar with the matter. Fidelity Digital Assets, which was launched in October 2018, currently offers a Bitcoin custody service. The Bloomberg article quotes Fidelity spokeswoman Arlene Roberts from an email, quote, "We currently have a select set of clients we're supporting on our platform. We will continue to roll out our services over the coming weeks and months based on our clients' needs, jurisdictions, and other factors. Currently, our service offering is focused on Bitcoin." End quote. CoinDesk reports that the U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission, or CFTC, is prepared to approve a futures contract for Ether, so long as it meets the regulator's requirements. The unnamed CFTC source said, quote, "I think we can get comfortable with an Ether derivative being under our jurisdiction. We don't do bold pronouncements. What we do is we look at applications before us." End quote. The source went on to explain, quote, "A derivatives exchange comes to us and says, we want to launch this particular product. If they came to us with a particular derivative that met our requirements, I think that there's a good chance that it would be allowed to be self-certified by us." End quote. Switzerland's top stock exchange, SIX, may issue its own digital token, according to an interview with the exchange's executive Thomas Zabe on FinNews published today. Zabe said, quote, "This year we'll deliver a pilot in late summer and first services will be live in early 2020. We will start with so-called native digital applications, launching new tokens, and an initial digital offering or IDO service." End quote. Zabe went on to explain why currently SIX Digital Exchange, or SDX, has no plans to trade cryptocurrencies. Quote, "The fatal flaw in trading cryptocurrency is not knowing who's behind the trades and where the coins are coming from, by design. We have responsibilities in terms of ensuring that appropriate anti-money laundering and transaction monitoring processes, as is the case today in the traditional world, are in place. The way Bitcoin is currently set up and traded, it wouldn't meet the criteria for SDX." End quote. And media agency Mindshare ran a blockchain-driven test ad campaign for Pepsi, which is traded on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol PEP, which saw a 28% increase in cost efficiency, according to a press release today. The test was part of Project Proton, which explores solutions using smart contracts on the Zilliqua blockchain. Farida Shakshir, the director of consumer engagement for PepsiCo Asia, Middle East, and North Africa, said, quote, "We are happy to be partnering with Mindshare to test the application and value add of blockchain in media. It is key that we stay abreast of new technologies and continue to advance transparency, viewability, brand safety, and buying efficiency. The results are encouraging, and we plan to run a few more campaigns under different conditions to verify more hypotheses and measure overall impact." End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Spotify, iTunes, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio.com, and Google Play Music. For disclosure purposes, NextID is a PR news and social media featured company on InvestorIdeas.com.